Good evening, everyone. This is Wilhelmina Ford from Brisbane, Australia. I am your business facilitator and the seller's extension. For short, I'm the seller's marketing consultant on mandate. I promote Africa. I'm the one who introduced this to the world. I'm the one who tell the world that Africa is the main source of precious mineral, gold, diamond, bauxite, cashew, cocoa, and so forth. Now, Wilhelmina is the one who handled seller's production. I am the extension. Everybody knows Wilhelmina. Most of the broker, 98% of the middlemen came to Wilhelmina, but they didn't meet the criteria. Only few real buyer meet the criteria. Now, before I'm going to proceed, I'm going to update first the price of gold today. The price of gold today, 2,365.43 per ounce. In dollars terms, 76,046.43. Okay? Now, this is gold asset you're buying. This is refined, which is gold bullion. We don't sell gold bullion. Okay? This is now refined. They clean all the impurity. So you can buy this in the central bank. You can buy this at the refinery with serial number and hallmark. We don't sell with serial number. We sell Doribar, produced by the miner from his mine, collecting dust gold. Then dust gold, they smelt it into bar and then bring it to the city ready for export. Now, the seller owned the gold, that which I handle it. I'm the one who handle the marketing for the seller in Conakry, Mali, and Sierra Leone. Now, there are so many offer on the internet. Those offer that you have been offered very cheap, just be careful. That is only to tease you. I'm not teasing you. I am telling the whole scenario, how you are able to secure step by step. I'm not going to teach you. Just watch this video and click below, subscribe. You read the full corporate offer. All question and answer is in front of you. Do not ask me. Do not leave a message on my YouTube channel. Wilhelmina, how could I communicate with you? You can communicate with me when you listen to this video. I have a lot of video, but you are not listening. You will only get what you are looking for if you are as a buyer. If you read the full corporate offer, paragraph by paragraph, all question and answer, the carats and the purity, and the mode of payment, that is the most important. Okay, now, before I'm going to proceed to a very sad situation by the buyer that encountered disaster. Now, the price of gold, our selling price, less 8%. Whatever the price of the gold of the day, minus 8%. If you are really certain, if you convince Wilhelmina, I can give you a very good price. Now you're going to say, Wilhelmina, what is the price? You are not listening to my explanation. 76 less 8% equals 69. 76 46.43 equals 69 962.71. That is the selling price. But don't panic. If you convince Wilhelmina that you are a buyer after you watch this video, after you read the full corporate offer, you're gonna say, where is it, Wilhelmina? Well, you're not paying attention. It says, click below. It says, show more. Subscribe, because time to time when I update the video, you will be notified. And if you're not reading, if you're just brokering, you are going to fail. And if you are just a small trader, and then you're excited to see Wilhelmina is already in front of you, you don't need to be excited. I need to meet you, video call conference, open your camera, because I'm going to ask you, how did you get my number? And then you're gonna say, well, Amina, I found you on YouTube. I've been watching your YouTube video. My question is, did you learn out of it? And if you cannot give me the answer, then you are going to fail, because I'm very strict. My question is, did you learn out of that? What did you learn out of my video? Today, here, the video that you're watching. What did you learn? After this video, click below, subscribe. There's a saying, see more. Okay? Then, you go through the full corporate offer. All question and answer is in front of you. On every video, I always put the full corporate offer. The selling price less 8%. Now, let's talk about discount. You're going to say, well, Amina, what is the carrot? You are not paying attention again. The carrot is here in front of you, but I'm going to tell you. Doribar is 22 plus, equivalent to 23. It depends on every bar. What is the purity, well, Amina? From 96, 97, 98, it depends on every bar. So that is the reason why you have to taste the gold. You need to travel. You need to buy your own gold taster, because you need to make sure that you are buying what you are paying for. So now, you understand this full corporate offer in front of you. When you come for conference with Wilhelmina, you need to give me the answer, because my question is very tough. I'm gonna ask you. So therefore, you are looking for gold, right? Yes, madam. How are you able to pay? That is my question. Oh, madam, CIF, then you have a problem. You don't have available cash. CIF cost insurance and freight only. How about paying the gold? Because the gold cannot leave the country of origin without export documentation saying that you pay the gold. Now, let's talk about this buyer. This buyer went to Mali. He knows me, and before he flew to Mali, he communicated with me, and we have a video call conference, and he said that he knows this seller. He met the seller in his country when the seller went to Europe. And he was being offered. So he stayed in Mali for 2 weeks. That is normal. You have to stay more than 8 days because of the export preparation. Your payment will be cleared 3 working days. Then after 3 working days, that is the time the seller secure export documentation in your name. But the problem is, his gold is stuck. His gold is transit. And his insurance issued at Abidjan. From Mali to Abidjan, Abidjan to Ghana, withheld in custom. He was being asked to pay in Ghana. I told this buyer, don't pay. Go back to your seller. Why the seller didn't advise you properly? So the gold you were supposed to leave today, but he has already a problem and he's nervous. He's on panic. And I told him, do not pay because your gold is only a transit. It is responsibility of the seller from Mali to assist you in order your gold will arrive in Dubai. Now the buyer is stuck. Now the buyer gonna lose it. And I told him, don't panic. Go back to your seller. Ask your seller to sort it out. He was being charged 16,270 to pay the custom. I told him, Ghana custom are corrupt. See? He was asked to pay 16,270 and I told him, you don't need to pay because your gold is only a transit. You already paid the gold from origin. You have an export documentation. I don't know which export lacking that you have? Did you insure the gold? And he said, yes. It says insurance certificate issued in Abidjan. Maybe the Abidjan shipping, the insurance has a branch in Mali. I don't know, this buyer was not being guided properly. So now he's nervous. So I told him, do not pay. Go back to your seller. The seller can sort it out. But once the seller received the money, I'm telling you guys, I'm not supposed to tell the truth, but I feel sorry for you guys, whoever watching this video. Once the seller received your money, he doesn't care for you anymore. He got your money. If there is a problem, they're gonna wash their hand. Yes? I've been to Mali last year. I know Mali ins and out. So I told this buyer, I cannot help you anymore because you didn't deal with my seller in Mali. And you didn't trust Wilhelmina. Now the problem is, he come back to me today. Now, Mr. Buyer, if you are bringing gold in Dubai, why not secure gold in Conakry, Guinea? Because Dubai and Conakry, Guinea, direct flight. There is no stopover. There's none. You will not stop over. Your gold will not be transit. It's better you buy gold direct to Conakry. Use the Emirates Air Cargo. Emirates Air Cargo, you need to insure the gold. I always mention that. You need to insure the gold in order for you to protect. So there is an air cargo, Emirates Air Cargo in Conakry. There is. There's so many shipping agents, but some shipping agents are careless as well. So if you hand carry the gold from Conakry to Dubai, it's very easy, very simple. But there is a minimum to carry, because if you're gonna carry 20 kilos, too heavy. It's better you ship it. Now, that buyer already in Mali have a problem. I cannot help you guys. Don't come to Wilhelmina. That Wilhelmina find me a seller. I'm stuck in Africa. I cannot. Our policy is like this. Before you travel, you need to plan properly. And you need to send Wilhelmina your business registration, importation license, copy of your passport, and the proof of fund that you have $500,000, that you have $1 million available in your bank account. Then I would believe that you are a true buyer. But if you are gonna say, I'm a next to the buyer, I wouldn't believe it. You are just window shopping. You are just gathering information for your own benefit. Mr. Buyer, you don't need to gather information. The full corporate offer is in front of you. Easy. Read it. Then I will determine which seller I'm going to put you. I'm gonna ask you where the gold to be delivered. In United States, then it's different. But if in Dubai, Emirates. Now, in every country, they have their own shipping agent. Conakry has a shipping agent. Mali has a shipping agent. Sierra Leone has a shipping agent. But Mr. Buyer, when you come to Wilhelmina, I do charge my services. I'm not free. When I travel with you, I'm not free. That's the reason why you have been stuck. Because you don't want to pay my extra service. When I bring you to the office of my seller, I make sure that I will tell my seller, I bring the buyer has been validated. Make sure you, Mr. Seller, the mine, you need to service this buyer properly. Because if the buyer made a mistake or you made a mistake, I'm going to put you on my platform that this seller is no good to deal with. So, Mr. Buyer, do not Do not take him for granted. Do not. Now, there in the past, there was a problem. I was even screwed when I handled Ghana. Ghana notorious. Sellers are notorious. Once they receive the money, they don't care about you. I'm telling you. They will make so many alibi. But if you're gonna take Wilhelmina with you, I will find a backup if you don't like my seller. If I'll bring you to the office, okay? And if you don't like it, I will find a backup. Then I'm gonna tell the seller of mine, the buyer is not happy. So how are you able to fix it? I'm going to tell the seller. Then I can find another seller to satisfy you, Mr. Buyer. But my services is not for free. I do charge $20,000 of my services. In spite of that, instead of $69,000 on Doribar, 69,962.71, I might give you 10% out of $69,000. So therefore, $62,966. You're gonna say, well, Amina, can you assist me more than 10%? Oh, well, I can give you 13%. Why? You're paying my services here. I threw back the percentage. I renegotiate the price for you. Because you're paying my $20,000 non-refundable, you must remember. Non-refundable. That is why you have to convince me. Send me a copy of your business registration, importation license, passport copy, the proof of fund. And you need to travel with Wilhelmina. And I will travel ahead of time to meet you in that particular country. Now, if you are a buyer from Dubai, it's better come to Conakry. Direct flight. Now, that is not my responsibility to find you a shipping agent. If you are from Dubai, you are going to do the planning as well. You have to find out which shipping agent dealing in Conakry, which shipping agent dealing with Sierra Leone, which shipping agent dealing with Mali. You as the buyer, you do your own planning. My job is to take you to the office of my seller. My job is to assist you, but not my job to find you a shipping agent, because that is not my job. The seller has his own shipping agent. So we will discuss that when you come to the office. That is not my job. Well, Amina, who is the shipping agent? Well, if you're in Dubai, why not ask Emirates? They have the office in Conakry? They have. Air Cargo, Emirates Air Cargo. They can carry your gold to Dubai via Emirates Air Cargo. So you have to insure the gold to the Emirates Air Cargo. You have to pay the insurance. The total sale value, whatever the total sale value of the product, 1.5% of the total sale value that you are going to insure. Because the insurance, the air cargo will say how much is the total sale value you did purchase it. Then they will charge you 1.5. So who is going to tell you like this? No one. Wilhelmina is the one who telling you. Then you're asking me, CIF cost insurance and freight. To me, you're a fool. Gold is not for credit. Gold is cash. You have to pay the gold plus value added tax. That is the income of the country. The seller has to declare that to his country. Okay, now you're gonna say, well, I mean, how I'm gonna get the gold in Conakry? The minimum order at least 10 kilos. If you're a big buyer, I want you to start a trial, because you are going to build your business credibility to the seller of mine. 10 kilos to start with, or 20 kilos. You buy your gold analyzer, you can buy that $15,000 online. You can purchase that. Today, you can buy products online. You're buying gold online through Wilhelmina. Yes. I buy a mobile phone online. I buy this one online. This one online. I buy this blood pressure online. So why are you scared for? Everything now is online. I contacted carpet washing through online. I buy equipment on garden tools and send it overseas to my farm. It's online. So why are you scared for? You're gonna be in trouble if you're not planned properly. Wilhelmina is teaching you. Seller would not explain to you like this. No. The seller will say, okay, this is my price. Here, the gold. No. I am here to babysit you. I am here to assist you. I am the seller's extension, but I am helping you to get the supply properly. I can guarantee you, the seller that I'm going to bring you, you're gonna be happy to get the gold. Why? He's the owner of the gold. He's a big company. He is. But this seller as well, he lost his gold by trusting a buyer. He lost 24 million 2019 by carelessness. Yes. I told the seller, you should not believe buyer. Buyer asking CIF now. Where are you gonna get the gold credit? And you don't know the buyer and the buyer doesn't know the seller. You as the buyer, you need to build your trust before you're gonna be trusted as well. So you have to put money first. You buy first and then you can resell it to your own customer. Don't ask me, well, Amina, do I have to get the profit? That is not my business. That is your business. My business is, I'll bring you to the office. I'll assist you because I know the seller. I know my seller. Then you will get the gold because I am gonna be with you. Now, if you're gonna buy gold in Mali, my seller will deal Kankamusa refinery. So you have option, DNGM or Kankamusa. DNGM and Kankamusa now are partner. My seller will deal KMR refinery. KMR is the biggest refinery in Mali, 500 meters away from international airport. I've been to Mali. I know Mali. But I cannot help you if you're stuck in Mali, and I cannot help you that you will, Amina, help me, teach me. I'm not here to teach you. You're a businessman. You should know that. When the seller hired Wilhelmina, the seller didn't teach me. I was the one who promote Africa. Why? Because I was in real estate and I'm already retired from real estate. I was the one who put this to the world map because Africa has been tarnished by the crook buyers as well, and also the crook buyers and the crook seller, vice versa, they are playing together. What happened? Disaster. Because the crook seller, they want the money. Once they receive the money, they don't care about you. Yes? And you crook buyer, you wanted to get the discount, you wanted to get the profit, you were being offered cheap price. What happened? Both of you are crook buyers and seller. Now, why I say this? I have to tell the truth because I've been on the ground. Yes, and my sellers is scared of me because if I see that there is a little bit of delayed, my language is not very good. Yeah, I'm a woman, but my language is really very fascinating if I'll get angry. My seller knows my temper. So that is the reason why I warn my seller before I'm gonna bring you, Mr. Buyer, that I'm bringing the buyer with Wilhelmina, together with the buyer from United States, the buyer from Dubai, or the buyer from Australia, or the buyer from Hong Kong. You need to convince me. When I charge you $20,000 non-refundable, take it or leave it. Don't come to Wilhelmina if you cannot afford to pay. Why? If you cannot afford to pay my services, then you cannot afford to pay the gold. Just someone is calling. Okay, let's continue. I was being interrupted. Client asking about the price of gold. Anyway, I think you already listened to this video. Please, I urge any international buyer, if you were being offered very cheap price, please, this is not cheap. This is world asset you're buying. You must remember. Don't believe on seller that offer you very, very cheap undervalue, because you are going to be trapped. When you buy these precious minerals, you have to pay the gold plus value added tax. Now in Mali, the tax, value added tax is 7%. In Conakry, the value added tax is 6%. In Sierra Leone, 6%. In Ghana, their value added tax now has increased 10% or 7%. So don't bank on it, because every year the value added tax increases. Why? That is an income of the government. The seller has to remit that to the government. That is why you have to buy the gold plus government sales tax. In your country, when you buy any groceries, they would not explain to you how much is the value added tax. They just add that on the docket. The price of the groceries that you purchase, the checkout lady, they will punch that plus value added tax 10%. Our value added tax in Australia is 10%. The checkout lady would not tell Mrs. Ford, your grocery is $100 plus government sales tax. They would not tell me. They just add the government sales tax and I have to pay in total. Buying gold exactly the same. I hope you understand. Now, Mr. Buyer, don't be a fool so that you will not be trapped. And then you're going to say, oh, I was being scammed. You're part of scam. Don't you know what is the meaning of scam means? You were being deceived by the seller, and you also deceive yourself because you wanted cheap price. You will get the profit if you pay in a proper way. You will. I can guarantee you. Talk to Wilhelmina, deal with Wilhelmina. I will bring you instead. I will accompany you instead. But I do charge my services. There is a fee. Now this video, you're lucky. This is free information. But when I travel, it's no longer for free. So come for conference if you are really serious buyer. If you are not just serious, at least you gain knowledge out of this video. Subscribe and click on the bottom and read the full corporate offer. Then you come for conference on Skype or on WhatsApp. Do not ask Wilhelmina, how could I talk to you? Well, you read first, because all of my contacts and email is on this video. Every video, I put all of my contacts. I want you to come. I want to see you live video call, the same as this. Wilhelmina, you see, Wilhelmina, this is my virtual office. I'm based in Brisbane. There is no gold here. I only accept your order. I only interviewed you. And I will be the one to determine which seller I'm going to bring you, either in Mali, Sierra Leone, or Conakry. When you convince Wilhelmina, you need to convince me so that I could assist you, so that I could renegotiate the price for you. I can guarantee you, you will get handsome profit. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening. The time now is 9 o'clock. I was being interrupted because there was an urgent call. My office, my virtual office, opens 7 days a week from 9 o'clock in the morning until midnight, because we have a time difference. Now, I'm going to close our conversation. Whoever you are, I'm going to go back to the world market. Just a moment. I will tell you how much is the price of the gold, because every half an hour, the price of gold changes. Now, a while ago, the price of gold was 75,943.66. The previous minute or previous hour was 76. So don't bank on it because it fluctuates. If you want to see the price of gold on the world market, type www.goldprice.org. You will see the price every half an hour. So the price is not fixed. I will only fix it when you convince Wilhelmina. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good morning to you. Now in Australia, it's now 9:06 in the evening.